I'm gonna try to attempt to tint the fog lights yellow, clear bra the headlights, and maybe tint this section here in a smoke. What I gotta do first, I wanna see if I can pop out these fog light covers. Supposedly I just need a pry tool. This should just pop out. I'm not too sure. I got these pry tools from Harbor Freight. I should just be able to put this in here and pry this out, starting from the top. I think there might be like a screw here. I have a feeling like there's a sensor here for the front end collision stuff. And hopefully if I can get this top off, I'll be able to see down in there. Got the top off. There's a few clips on the top. Right here. And I gotta look inside and see what else I gotta take off. I think I nicked the paint. These clips, they're like angled outwards. So when I pulled the top, I think I nicked the paint. Like right here. I got a little flathead. There's a clip that's all the way like in the bottom. There's a clip on the bottom. Yeah, I'm not putting that clip back on. That clip goes to this little hole right here. Yeah, I don't think I'll put that back on. There's a whole bunch of clips here. There is a little blemish in the paint. You live and you learn, right? Figure things out as you go. Here's a piece out. That's it without the piece. Now I'm gonna take the other side out, and then I'm gonna take the fog lights out. I thought I wouldn't have to show you this side, but this piece right here, this bottom piece, this is actually a separate panel from the cover. I guess this is thinner because of the 2020, 2021s have that, you know, lane departure, early brake assist, safety features. There was actually these tabs here. They were sticking out too far that I couldn't get a screwdriver to access that pin all the way on the bottom. So what I did is I just pushed the panel out a little bit, gave me some clearance so I can get that pin out. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick look on this side because it was a little different for the 2020, 2021 models. I don't know if the 2019 older model of the Civic Type Rs have this extra panel that pops out or have obstruction when you're trying to get that pull pin. But let me know if you have an older model and it's the same way so you can confirm for the other people that are watching. So I'm gonna take this fog light cover off and then we'll remove the fog lights. We'll take the fog lights upstairs so I can tint them. We're gonna go for that yellow JDM look. I don't drink enough water type yellow. The film I got, I think is the color I want, but when they're off, kind of looks a little orange. We'll see how it looks after I put them on. I'm sure I like them because I like the deeper type of yellow. I don't like that lighter yellow that kind of looks green sometimes, depending on if you have an LED light or a halogen light. Let me take off this panel, we'll take off the fog lights, and we'll head upstairs. So there we have it, guys. The fog light covers are off the Civic Type R. Now, just to remove these fog lights, I believe it is just two screws. This is that adaptive cruise control unit or whatever. I don't know. Well, I know there's this piece in the bottom and there's that camera up top. I don't know which one does lane keeping assist, what has lane departure warning, what has early brake. I want to say that's early brake, detects the car in front of you. I want to say that is lane keeping and lane detection because camera. If you guys know, let me know. I do want to end up installing a windshield banner on the top, but there's so little space. Like, there's so little space between the camera and the top part that the banner is going to be real skinny on top. I don't want to cover that camera, but I also want like a full windshield banner. I don't want to just have the letters cut out. These side markers have to go. Either go or I gotta tint them. I'm not a fan of the whole amber thing, but I don't want to remove the safety of a reflector. But yeah, let me take off these fog lights. There we have it, guys. 2 screws on each fog light. Take these upstairs, clean them, and wrap them. Okay, here we are in the lab. That orange stuff. That's what I'm tinting the fog lights to. What I'm gonna do, gotta clean these, make sure they're clean. Got their rubbing alcohol, microfiber cloth. Clean these and then cut a section of the tint with a heat gun, and we'll put it all together. So I finished one. Here it is. I think it looks pretty good. I think it's like the yellow that I'm looking for. The vinyl put on is Oracal Transparent Cal 8300. It can either be a wet or dry application. I chose to do a dry application just because I feel like it's easier. As long as you take your time, you'll have little to no bubbles. There's a few small ones, but not noticeable. Usually if they were bigger, I would take like a pick or a blade and just poke the bubbles out and flatten them out. What you want to do with something like this, you want to lay the vinyl on top. You want to start in the center and work your way towards the outside. If the vinyl starts getting gathered or you start getting fingers and creases, what you want to do is lift past the crease, give it a little heat, and then just again work it towards the edge until you get to the end. And then when you get to the end, you just take your razor blade and just trim the edge. You don't need to go all the way to the back. Mine kind of sits on the lip here, but you can't even tell. And when this is on, there's gonna be like the cover. It's gonna cover the outer portion of the fog light anyways. Do your best and try to get as close to the outside as possible. I'm gonna tint the other one and we'll head downstairs and put them back on. Fog lights are finished. That's what they look like. Are they too orange? I like them. Came out pretty good. So let's put these back on and hopefully they look good. 2 screws, pop it on. I think I'll put the clips back, might as well. Yo, so I put the fog lights on and the covers are back on. I love the way it looks. I love the color. It's not as orange as they were when I'm holding them out. They look so good. Oh yeah, perfect. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna show you what they look like with the lights on. I think they're the perfect color. It's exactly what I wanted. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, they're too orange, they look amber, but you know what? I like what I like, and to me, it's the perfect color. I love the look of a deep yellow. I'll show you guys what it looks like with the lights on. Oh man, they look good, and they're yellow. I love them. They look mad good. I initially ordered this wrap vinyl, the tint, for the GTI because I wanted to change those fog lights to a yellow, a nice yellow, but GTI's gone. Light bar's here. I love the way it looks. Chrome background, the reflector gives it a nice pop. Oh, I love the way it came out. I'm so happy. Dang, I'm loving this car more and more, and I'm excited to do more to it and make it my own, you know what I mean? That's it for the fog lights. I gotta continue to do stuff to protect the car. I'll do the headlights. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do that. I have the clear bra already. Let me know what you guys think of the new fog light tint. Catch you later. Peace.